what we're doing today, I checked the power steering fluid on the Suburban. It was a little bit low, and it's been a little bit noisy. I don't see any leaks on it. I've never had to add any to it, but I figured let's change the fluid out. Now we're probably not going to get all of, well, I know we're not going to get all of it, but I just wanted to quickly kind of change it out. So what I've got here, this is a lower unit pump. It's for oiling, putting oil in a lower unit of an outboard. This screws into the bottom, the drain of the lower unit, and you pump it up and you fill it from the bottom up. So I just stuck this down in the power steering pump, and we are just pumping it. And you can see how dark that stuff is. And I'm sure this won't go all the way to the bottom of the pump, but we'll get whatever we can out. And this is, I'm just pumping it into an old empty transmission fluid bottle. We're just going to pump this out until it can't pump anymore. It kind of feels like it's at the bottom. Now that that's done, let's take a look and see what this stuff looks like. We got 12 ounces out. Let's just take a look before it here. You can see how black that is. It looks like motor oil. So there's that pump. And I've always got boats and outboards and stuff around here, so I always have one of those. Let me turn the light on. We'll see if we can see how much is still in there. Yeah, I'd say it's got most of it. Nah, there's still some in the bottom. Yeah, I could put a longer hose on the bottom of that, but I think that's good enough. That'll give us, that's probably over half of it. Let's see. There's 16 ounces in this bottle. That one's a full quart. So this should be enough to top it off. Like I said, it was a little bit low, so it'll probably take most of this. Let's check it right there. I think it's gonna need a little bit more. Yeah. There's an ant or something biting me. I don't know what that was. Maybe it was a mosquito. It felt more like an ant. Told me to spill it. I was trying to scratch my leg with my other foot. It is right. I'm gonna call it good right there. Yeah, it needs a little bit more. It would have been perfect if I wouldn't have spilled it. I just had it running a little bit ago, so it should be. Actually, we do that. Yeah, that should be good. Yeah, I think I felt that thing. We've got these flies here. I don't know if y'all have got them wherever you're watching. Shoot, I'm gonna need both hands. But I'm about to make a mess. We've got flies here that bite, and they hurt. They hurt more than a mosquito does. That should be good. Cap on before we spill this. Yep, that's what it is. There that thing is. Man, things hurt. Yeah, we're full. So, figured I would just show you all that. Hadn't planned on videoing it, so I didn't have a tripod or anything like that. But it wasn't something I was gonna do. I just thought I'd check, see how the fluid level was, and when I saw it was low, I was like, well, why don't we just suck up what's in there and put some fresh. I would say that got the majority of what's in the system, or at least the majority of what's in the reservoir. So, can't hurt. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment down below, hit the like button, and subscribe for more.